Wherever you are, I hope you are doing well. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done, so it will help me grow the channel. Thank you. Horrifying floods in Germany caused a terrifying devastation. Survivors recount the horrors of unprecedented floods. Germany has been struck by catastrophic floods, leaving a trail of destruction reminiscent of a bomb explosion. The floods have ravaged western Germany, claiming the lives of at least 160 people, with the Ahrweiler district, home to Bad Neuenahr, bearing the brunt of the devastation. In the Ahrweiler district alone, 98 deaths have been confirmed, including 12 individuals who resided in a care facility for disabled individuals. Numerous others remain missing, and the death toll is expected to rise as rescue operations continue. The floods have also rendered thousands of people homeless, and the economic repercussions, stemming from the loss of homes and businesses, as well as the extensive costs involved in rebuilding infrastructure, are estimated to reach billions of dollars. Roads were submerged beneath water and mud, cars were tossed onto their sides in the town square, and sections of buildings were swept away. One particular residence stood eerily exposed to the street, as if its front wall had been obliterated by an explosive blast. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.